integration of these materials into design thinking process fosters innovation and creativity. Understanding these materials is essential for designers and engineering aiming to solve modern challenges. What are new materials? New materials refers to substance developed through advanced technologies that improve functionality that efficiency. Examples include nanomaterials, biomaterials, and exhibit improved properties. These materials are often engineered to meet specific industry demands, driving processing, design and manufacturing. The role of design thinking. Design thinking is a human-centered approach that emphasizes empathy, creativity, and iterative testing. It encourages collaborations across disciplines to address complex problems with innovative solutions. Integrating new materials into design thinking can lead to sustainable materials. Sustainability is a crucial factor driving the development of new materials in various industries. Materials such as recycled plastics and plant-based composites reduce environmental impact and resource depletion. Incorporating sustainable materials with customer preferences for eco-friendly products. Smart materials. Smart materials respond dynamically to changes in their environment, offering essential versatility. For example, include sharp memory allows the thermomonic materials that can be adapted their properties. These materials open new avenues for product design, particularly wearable technology and smart devices. Collaborative innovations. Collaboration between materials scientists and designers fosters a culture of innovation. Cross-disciplinary team can explore the potential of new materials leading to unique applications. This energy enhances the design thinking process of incorporating design concepts and experiments. Automotive industries. The automotive industry is new materials enhance performance and safety while reducing weight. Innovations such as high strength steel and carbon fiber composites improve fuel efficiency and crash resistance. Design thinking in the sector focus on integrating these materials into vehicle and functionality. Challenges in material adoption. Adopting new materials poses challenges include higher initial cost and the need for specialized manufacturing process. Designers must innovative regularity and material complexity issues in product development. Overcome these challenges requires innovative thinking and collaboration across the supply chain. Thank you.